LED lights can get kind of complicated. The lights without remote control only have 2-wire cables. The ones that are RGB with remote have 4-wire cables. And this one, the kit with RGBW, has 5-wire cables. The RGBW, or red, green, blue, white, has the advantage of having a solid white choice and using CCT, or correlated color temperature, so that all bulbs change color in sync. The simple RGB does not have CCT, so the RGB only kit often does not display all LED bulbs. For example, only 2 of the 6 lights work for red. But with RGBW, all of the lights are on for any color. Here's how to use the remote control. Make sure your control box is plugged in. Then you need to pull the clear tab at bottom of the remote so that the battery is turned on. If there is no clear tab, it has already been removed to test the match between remote and control box. If the remote control and control box are not matched, you need to open the control box and press the match set key for 16 seconds until the run LED indicator turns solid blue. Here is the on-off button. Here is the color wheel, which you touch to change the static color. Finger mouse the color wheel to get different colors, hundreds of different colors. Here's the mode button. Press quickly to get to the next dynamic mode. There are 10 to select from. Red fade in and out, green fade in and out, blue fade in and out, white fade in and out. Then there are 6 other color change sequences, for example, red, green, blue color change fast, medium color change speed, etc. This is the speed key. To adjust the speed of a color change sequence, short press this key. Each short press will get you a new speed from fast sequence changes to slower speed changes. Light saturation changes will also occur, changing the brightness of the bulbs. The left arrow decreases brightness. The right arrow increases brightness. For the 4 static colors, short press R for red, G for green, B for blue, or W for white. The last thing to discuss is how to use Scene. The Scene button allows you to add a color not already part of a mode sequence. Choose the color from the color wheel you wish to add, and then press the Scene button for 10 seconds. Your color will be added to the color changing sequence. For most flexibility, always remember to please use the Tuya app via Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.